when you're camping is a daily tyre check. When you're out in the mulga like we are now, as you can see, red dirt and spinifex country, your tyres are the only things keeping the vehicle off grinding into the ground. So you need to check your tyres every day. Pressure is the first thing to worry about. Okay, they all look all right. If you've got a tyre pressure monitoring system, turn your engine on and get it idling, and that should bring up the pressure readings. If you don't have a tyre pressure monitoring system, you need to get your pressure gauge out and go and check all the tyres. So pressure every day, most important. Next thing to do is look for physical damage. So you actually have to get your gloves on, as I've done, and go round every tyre. And you want to look in the tread to see if there are any stakes or large stones that could cause drilling as the tyre rotates. So you're looking for any debris in the tyre. Little stones aren't a problem, but big sharp ones that may be wedged in, you want to dig them out. And then crawl underneath. If you don't want to do that, you've got gloves on, just feel around the side walls. You can see if there's anything in the outside, and look for anything that looks like tyre damage. Any cuts, feel for them inside. Better if you crawl underneath, if you don't mind getting a bit dirty, and have a good look. Fortunately, on these new D697s, they're looking as good as new. Daily checks, most important.